Hey guys, today we are sourcing some local products on Google Maps. I'm going to take you shopping with me and I'm going to show you how I find wholesale local suppliers on the maps. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how you can source product locally by finding wholesale suppliers that are in your region or anywhere you live. All you need to do is go on to maps and put in the sort of supplier you're looking for. So for example, if it's food supplier or party supplies supplier, or you're looking for a supplier for a floristry business or anything you're looking for, all you need to do is just go on Google Maps and search by location. And let's jump to my screen and I will show you how to do it right now. We begin on Google Maps. So this is the map of the UK. You can see now how this works is I am going to put in the search term. I've already been looking up some places. When I refresh this now, it is showing me all sorts of places that are coming up. So you can just see any stock buyer. Do they have a website? They do have a website. You can just right click, open this, and you can simply, I just want to show you the scale of the wholesale places that are there and what sort of things you can find. Northwest Greetings and Balloon World, that should be interesting. People who want to sell party supplies on Amazon. We can open this, check it out. Clothing wholesalers, Bookers. Bookers is like Costco. Regal Wholesale and Distribution. Let's check who are they. All you need to do is wherever you are in the UK. So let's assume you are somewhere here and you just say search this area to Google. And wherever you're on the maps, Google's gonna find you wholesalers wherever you are. So people who have websites, it's showing up in Google is indexed. I am going to zoom back out. Birmingham. Okay, let's search this area. Birmingham is a huge place. What have we got there? Loads of places have popped up. That designer wholesale, something different website. Let's open them up. All you need to do is just go onto Google Maps, put the word wholesale in, wherever suppliers you're looking for. If you're looking for food wholesalers, put that in. If you're looking for clothing wholesalers, put that phrase in, and Google will find you places. You don't actually need to drive anywhere. You can just find lots of places just from here. And because of the COVID, you're not allowed to visit most of the places anyway. They don't want you coming in. They want you to go visit the websites. Places who don't have a website probably don't have a good collection of product anyway. This is one really easy way to do it. Just jumping in here really quickly, please don't forget to watch the first episode, linked in the description below, about the local sourcing strategy. There's a lot of good stuff in that video too. So please do click the link above in the cards or in the description below and watch that video. So let me just show you all the websites I've opened. So this was welcome to any stock seller. As it says, clearance access bankrupt stock sellers. What this means is people who wanted to clear stock and they couldn't clear in the right season. So for fashion, that would mean that they had to clear all their unsold stock to these guys. It could mean a similar thing in any industry, unsold lampshades, unsold kitchen supplies, whatever. Northwest Greetings. Okay, this was the greeting cards, and this could be really great for festive season coming up. Halloween's coming up. You can try some offers from here. Northwest Greetings seems like a good company. Apply for a trade account. There you go. Free delivery over £75 worth of orders. They've got a great website. You can just sign up with them and find some good product and just, reverse search on Amazon. What else did we have? Something different. Okay, this is decorative stuff again. Festive. This looks good as well. So if you guys were interested in doing something for Christmas, the festive season coming up, this could be really interesting. The UK's fastest growing wholesale giftware supplier. Let's jump to Amazon before I show you some other gems that I found online. I just added to Amazon UK. So we're on amazon.co.uk, and what I did was I thought, okay, I want to source product locally. I want to find I want to find products that I can just buy from the UK. So let's see who else is selling made in UK product. What sort of products are already available? So I put that phrase in and I run Jungle Scout on this. So let's just have a category overview first. We see there's a lot of supplements, oils, masks and sanitizers made in UK. So this is like something, and this is one sold a day, 20 sales in the month. And that's their monthly revenue. So I wanted to show you guys this, that if you use Jungle Scout to just find the demand and see the sales revenue for this keyword made in UK, what sort of product types are popping up and what sort of revenue is made by these products. Because everything listed is not, even though it's coming on page one, doesn't mean that it's having decent amount of sales. So you need Jungle Scout to actually see the sales revenue estimates. So this is also powered. This little thing is also powered by Jungle Scout. It gives you like each on product level some quick stats. So what I want to show you, if you run Jungle Scout on this, you will get an idea what sort of revenue is happening for all these different types of products. So let me just get rid of this. Okay, so it's giving it a good score of medium demand with low competition. So that means that this is worth targeting. There is different sort of revenue happening. You can see there is £23,000 of monthly revenue for this packaging. I think these are face masks. They've got a decent amount of revenue happening, and so on and so forth. The point is, overall, there's not that much competition in here. There's not that many sellers aiming for this. Everybody's sourcing from China, so there's an opportunity. Similarly, I ran the Jungle Scout for made in USA. I will just show you. Let me just close this. These are the products that were popping up. So let me just run Jungle Scout for this. Yes, again, low demand with low competition. So people on the Amazon UK are not really that interested in made in US products, according to Jungle Scout, but some of them are showing decent revenue. I was curious, so I went on Amazon.com and I looked up. So let me just show you first. So this is Amazon.com, and I searched made in USA product because obviously this is a much bigger marketplace than UK. And this is, I'll just show you a quick overview of what you can see here. Different types of products, the trainers, face masks, these slippers. So run Jungle Scout on this, and some of these products are doing crazy revenue. So high demand, high competition. There's a lot of made in USA products being sold here. But you get the point that you don't have to source from China. You can look at alternatives in local sourcing from wherever you live and find opportunities from there and bring products to the market that are unique and manufactured in your own country. People are shopping made in USA, made in UK product. They are willing to pay a little bit more for them. So if you want it to be different and differentiate, this is a great way to start looking for these kind of products and suppliers. So this is another interesting website I found. It's mainly a drop shipping website. It's called chinabrands.com. And I actually found it while I was looking for UK wholesale websites. And they obviously had a blog post about this, so I landed on their website, and it gives you the list of all the websites that basically rank on high on Google, and when you look up, they come up on the page one for that for when you're searching for a wholesale supplier in the UK. So okay, so if you just sign up with these guys, what they have is it's a directory website, and you can just go through, section by section, check out all the departments, kind of products you're looking for, and just find suppliers within the UK for all of these things. This is another supplier I found while looking for food wholesale suppliers. It's good to be registered with these companies anyway, in case you decide to expand into, the food category on Amazon, which they are planning to grow rapidly. You can just register with them as a trade company and just see that what sort of prices are available for these. It could get interesting for you if you wanted to start an Amazon food wholesale account and just supply all the different brands there. But I'm just going to get out of here. Like I've just shown you, planning to source from local suppliers, whether it's wholesalers or manufacturers, is never easier. All you need is Google Maps and Jungle Scout. If you use my link in the description below, you will get 30% discount. So make sure you go ahead and use that and get that discount. By using these two things, you will be able to find the demand and the sales revenue happening for any sort of product that you're looking for. You will be able to find products and reverse search on Amazon, or just search on Amazon and then go look for suppliers on Google. This gives you an alternative to sourcing from China, which at the moment in current scenario is becoming quite expensive. The shipping rates to UK are becoming ridiculous. So might as well find some local suppliers who are already established and have the product in the UK, and it won't be your job to negotiate the shipping rates and everything and bring the product over into the UK. I think this makes for a really easy start to start selling on Amazon. So make sure you use my link to get your Jungle Scout subscription and get 30% off, and try this out and let me know in comments below how you get on with it. What do you find? If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. I think, yeah, that's it. That's all from me today. I will see you guys next week. Bye.